Hey everyone, welcome back to Facts of Life. Today's subject is all about birds. From the colorful to the clever, we're diving into some amazing facts about different types of birds. Even some you may not have known about. So sit back, relax, and let's fly right into it. This is not just a bird, it's a work of art in motion and one of the most mesmerizing birds in the animal kingdom. I'm talking about the peacock. Number 1. Peacock feathers aren't just beautiful, they're sophisticated. The peacock's tail feathers, or train, aren't just colorful, they're highly sophisticated when it comes to physics. The colors you see are created by microscopic structures in the feathers that reflect light in a way that makes them shimmer. The bright colors are actually the result of light refracting through the tiny plates inside the feathers, a phenomenon called structural coloration. Number 2. Their feathers are used for mating displays. Male peacocks fan out their feathers during courtship displays to attract females. But it's not just about size. Females also pay attention to the eye patterns on the feathers. Larger, more symmetrical eye spots and brighter, more vivid colors can signal a healthier and more genetically favorable mate. Number 3. Peahens. Female peafowl are very selective. Peahens are known to be extremely selective when choosing a mate. They might ignore the most flamboyant males if their display isn't up to snuff. This means they rely heavily on visual and auditory cues from the males to choose the best genetic mate. Number 4. They can run at high speeds. When they aren't flying, peacocks can run up to 10 miles per hour on the ground. They're built for quick sprints to escape danger, and their agility makes them harder to catch by predators. Number 5. The peacock's tail is a symbol of immortality in some cultures. In Hinduism, the peacock is associated with the goddess Saraswati, who symbolizes knowledge and learning. The peacock's tail is often depicted as a symbol of immortality, as it sheds and regrows its feathers annually. Number 6. Peacocks have been around for millions of years. Fossil records suggest that peafowl have existed for over 10 million years, with ancestors of the modern-day peacock appearing in Miocene-era fossils. These ancient birds likely evolved in what is now South Asia, where the Indian peafowl Pavo cristatus is still native today. The next majestic creature we will be talking about was a symbol of wisdom in the times of ancient Greece. I am talking about the owl. Number 1. Owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees, but not without backup. Contrary to myth, owls don't spin their heads all the way around. They can rotate their necks 270 degrees in either direction. Thanks to 14 neck vertebrae, humans have only 7. A specially designed vascular system with extra blood pooling reservoirs, so their brains don't lose circulation during extreme head turns. Number 2. Supernatural level 3D hearing. Many owls have one ear higher than the other, and some are tilted at different angles. This allows them to pinpoint prey by sound alone, even under thick snow, grass, or leaves. They can locate prey in total darkness with accuracy down to a few centimeters. Number 3. Owls have existed since the time of dinosaurs. The oldest owl fossil dates back to about 60 million years ago. Fossils suggest they evolved shortly after the mass extinction that ended the age of dinosaurs, outliving T. Rex and dominating the night sky for millennia. Number 4. Over 250 species of owls, and some are just bizarre. Owls are found on every continent except Antarctica. There are a variety of owls, for example, the elf owl, smallest owl, only 5-6 inches tall. Fish owl, largest owl, over 6.5 feet wingspan. Spectacled owl with feather markings that look like eyeglasses. Some species can mimic the appearance of tree bark, camouflaging almost perfectly. Number 5. Owls swallow their prey whole and regurgitate the leftovers. They consume prey whole, including bones and fur. Their stomach separates digestible parts from indigestible ones, which are then regurgitated as owl pellets. Owl pellets are used in schools and labs to study food webs and local biodiversity. Number 6. Young owls may eat siblings. In some species of owls, particularly barn owls and great horned owls, siblicide can occur. This is the act of a chick killing and potentially eating its siblings. This behavior is typically driven by competition for limited resources, like food or the attention of the parents. The first hatched owlet often takes priority in terms of feeding, and if food is scarce, it may attack and even consume the younger owlets. The next beautiful creature we'll be talking about is a bird that forgot how to fly, but became a super-powered swimmer, the penguin. Number 1. Flightless evolution. Penguins evolved from flying birds, but over millions of years, they traded their wings for flippers. Why does it matter that they're birds? Because it tells us how powerful evolution is. They're built like torpedoes, yet still lay eggs, have feathers, and even preen like other birds. Number 2. Penguins wear the original tuxedos for camouflage. That iconic black and white look isn't just for style, it's for survival. Their dark backs blend in with the ocean depths when seen from above, and their white bellies blend in with the bright surface when seen from below. That's called countershading, and it helps them evade predators like leopard seals and orcas. Number 3. Song of Love. Emperor penguins raise their chicks in colonies of up to 10,000, but each chicken parent can recognize each other's unique call. Imagine finding your child in a stadium of screaming people by sound alone. Penguins molt, all at once. It's called a catastrophic molt. Unlike other birds that molt slowly, penguins shed all their feathers in 2-3 weeks, looking hilariously scruffy and patchy. During this time, they can't swim or eat. Number 5. Some ancient penguins were human-sized. The extinct species Kumimanu bisi, discovered in New Zealand, lived about 55 million years ago and stood nearly 6 feet tall, weighing up to 250 pounds. Imagine a penguin taller than a grown man. Number 6. Penguin love. Many penguins are seasonally monogamous. Most penguin species are monogamous for a breeding season, meaning they pair with one mate for that year. However, many will reunite with the same partner in following years if both survive and return to the same nesting site. Meet one of nature's most strikingly beautiful creatures, the Eurasian hoopoe. Number 1. Distinctive crown of feathers. One of the most striking features of the Eurasian hoopoe is its large crown of feathers on top of its head. These feathers can be raised or lowered, giving it an almost flamboyant look, which it uses during courtship or when feeling threatened. Number 2. Ancient symbolism. In many cultures, the Eurasian hoopoe has been a symbol of wisdom, protection, and mysticism. In ancient Egypt, the bird was associated with the goddess Hathor, often depicted with a crown of feathers resembling the hoopoe's. Number 3. Antennae like crest. The hoopoe's crest looks like antennae, and when it's up, it makes the bird appear larger and more intimidating. This may help deter potential predators or rival birds. Number 4. Scent of defense. When threatened, the hoopoe releases a foul-smelling liquid from its anal glands. This stinky defense mechanism repels predators like snakes and larger birds. Some scientists suggest that the smell might also attract certain insects, which are a food source for the hoopoe. Number 5. Elusive masters. Despite its striking appearance, the Eurasian hoopoe can be quite elusive. It's often found in dense forests, woodlands, and grasslands where it camouflages well with its environment, especially when it's hunting for food or hiding in its nest. Number 6. Revered in ancient Egypt. The hoopoe appears in ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs and tomb art, especially from the New Kingdom period, 1500 BCE. Egyptians considered the hoopoe a symbol of virtue and protection, likely because of its bold appearance and nesting habits. In some cases, the hoopoe was believed to protect against evil spirits and was associated with the gods of rebirth and renewal. When you think of exotic birds, parrots and peacocks might come to mind, but few birds are as bizarre, beautiful, and downright fascinating as the hornbill. Number 1. Built-in helmet. The hornbill's casque, the hollow structure on top of its beak, varies wildly between species. In the helmeted hornbill, it's solid and used like a battering ram during mid-air head-butting duels over territory. It's one of the few birds to have a keratin ivory casque, sadly targeted by poachers. Number 2. Built-in sound system. The casque of some hornbills works like a resonating chamber, amplifying their deep, echoing calls that can travel over a mile in dense forest. These vocalizations are crucial for territory defense and pair bonding. Number 3. Ancient lineage. Hornbills are part of a very ancient avian lineage, believed to have originated in Africa over 30 million years ago. Today, they are found across Africa and Asia, but each region hosts very distinct species, from the African ground hornbills to the majestic rhinoceros hornbills of Southeast Asia. Number 4. Smart and sentient. Hornbills show signs of complex problem-solving and tool use. In captivity, they've been observed manipulating objects and showing awareness of their surroundings, hinting at higher intelligence than previously thought. Number 5. Serial monogamists with sky-high loyalty. Hornbills usually mate for life. Pairs engage in long courtship rituals, and the male often continues feeding the female and chicks with extreme dedication during the nesting period. In some species, a male will bring food over 100 times a day. Number 6. The guardians of the forest. Hornbills serve as natural forest policemen. Their intense territorial calls warn other birds and animals to stay clear, thus maintaining ecological balance. In some areas, they are believed to guard sacred groves, and there are local legends about hornbills being guardians of the forest's secrets. You know them. You love them. If you say something to them, they might say it back to you. I am, of course, talking about the iconic parrot. Number 1. Parrots pass the marshmallow test of birds. Parrots, like African gray parrots, can delay gratification, a cognitive skill once thought to be uniquely human. In studies, they will wait for a better reward instead of grabbing a lesser one immediately, a sign of future planning and self-control. Number 2. They have a special voice box, not in their throat. Parrots don't use vocal cords to speak. Instead, they use a syrinx, a unique organ located where the trachea splits into the lungs. They can control both sides independently, allowing them to mimic sounds with freakish precision, including human voices, ringtones, chainsaws, and even laughter. Number 3. Some parrots create and use tools and even play with them. Goffin's cockatoos have been seen crafting tools from sticks and cardboard to retrieve food, not just using them, but modifying tools for specific tasks. Even cooler, some have been observed playing with tools just for fun, suggesting curiosity and play behavior similar to young children. Number 4. They have lifelong best friends and social hierarchies. Parrots often form lifelong pair bonds, not just romantic ones, but platonic bird BFFs. Some species have been observed to console each other after fights, share food, and even act out revenge behaviors, like tattling or shunning other birds. Number 5. Parrots have lifelong partners. Many parrot species are monogamous, forming long-term bonds with a single mate, often for life. This strong pair bond means they will raise multiple generations of chicks together, and even share food and groom each other throughout their lives. In some cases, if one parrot dies, the other will mourn and may even stop eating or singing. Number 6. Parrots are over 50 million years old. Fossil evidence suggests parrots have been around for at least 50 million years, making them one of the oldest surviving bird lineages. Some fossils from Europe show early parrot-like birds in what is now Germany and England, from a time when the climate was much warmer. And there you have it, some of the most fascinating facts about birds from around the world. From peacocks to penguins, these feathered creatures never cease to amaze. If you enjoyed learning something new today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Facts of Life and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more curious discoveries. Got a favorite bird or a fun bird fact I missed? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring the weird and wonderful facts of life.